In this video, we will show you how to make a payment with your tax return or extension. There's a few different ways to do this. So the first thing you'll do is go to irs.gov. You just type that in. It's not irs.com, it is irs.gov. And then it's top left-hand section, you'll see Pay. You'll click Pay, it'll take you to this screen. You can pay either by direct pay, directly from your bank account, or through a debit card or credit card. So we'll go to this debit card or credit card section first. As you notice that they have three different options. They have the Pay USA Tax, Pay 1040, and ACI payments. These are all third-party vendors that allow you to pay the IRS directly through their website. They are credible, but they do have fees associated with them. So choose those accordingly. You just click the link that you want and follow the process. The most common and probably the one we recommend the most is on the direct pay for the bank account. So if you go back to that main screen, it would be this first link, and you just hit make a payment. That takes you to this first screen here, and you can select the reason. So if you're paying with an extension, it'll direct you to the 4868, which is the extension form, and it'll be the current year. If you're paying for a balance due on your taxes, it could be the income tax return and which year you're applying it to. So if you're filing multiple returns at once, you need to be sure of which tax year you're applying it to. You can also do an estimated tax payment if you're paying for the current year or future years. So I'm paying for 2021, it'll be 1040 ES, estimated payments. So let's just say I'm paying for my balance due, my income tax for the year of 2020. I'll click next, confirm and continue, and it takes me to this next screen. So here you'll see they have different steps. So I type in the payment amount. Let's say I'm going to pay $100. Confirm the amount. I'll select which day I want the payment to come out. So let's say I get paid next Friday. I'll select that date, the routing number, type that in, the bank account number, type that in, and then confirm the account number. You'll select whether it's checking or savings, agree to their email terms of service, and then you'll type in your email. We'll say johndoe@molintax.com, johndoe@molintax.com, and then continue. And obviously these aren't right, but once you do them correctly, it'll take you to this next screen where it allows you to authorize the disclosure. You'll hit agree. You can scroll down and you'll type in whether or not you want this entered or not. So I'm going to fill this out on the other screen and select accept. Once you fill all that out at the bottom, you'll check the box for accept and then submit. And then you're done. So that is how you make a tax payment online.